How to create snow covers effects in Unreal Engine 5. First, we rotation these objects, and you can see the snow is also changed. How to make it? And now, I create a new material instance. I copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And now I renamed it. I change the name underscores to snow new. I drag it to this rock, and now I open it, and here I make this window smaller and find the main material. Now open it, and now we need to make the blend material. We need to find the blend material attribute. And you can see we need to connect this material to node 8 and also need to another material. And first I need to drag the snow texture into here. And the snow textures I have downloaded from the Fab store. And here I drag the texture into here. I select this base color and normal, and I open it again. And now I make the material attribute, and I connect this to base color and connect to the normal. And now I can connect to the B node. The next things I need to make this material to connect to A node, but here it can connect, so I need to make the material attributes again. I connect the base color, material, and I need to connect all of them. And now I can connect to A node. And this one I want to make it to use material attribute. Select it, and this node connects to the A, and this one connects to here. Yeah, our blend material is almost finished, but we still need to make a alpha. So the first I need to create the vertex normals and find this vertex normals words, and here this one, select it. And next I need to create a mask, component mask, and I select this one and change the values, only have the blue channel. And next I need to multiply it. Connect here and press one key and click left button and convert it, and change the name. And next, I need the power node. And connect this one. Press one key and click left mouse button. And convert it. And change the name. And next, I need to another node to saturate. Connect here and connect to alpha. And our blend material is finished. And I select this window, and here you can see we have these two values. You can change it, maybe one, and you can see our snow effect is up here. Yeah. When you rotation it, and our snow is also changed. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.